Today we will learn that how to find total number of electrons present in shells. So for this we know that there are total 4 shells named as K, L, M and N. Now how many electrons are there in K shell? How many electrons are there in L shell? How many electrons are there in M shell? And how many electrons can be filled in N shell? This can be determined by using formula 2n square. Here is n is the shell number. For K this will be 1. For L this will be 2. For M this is 3. For N will be equal to 4. So for K shell we put n is equal to 1 here and we get 2. For L shell use the same formula and put the value here. N for L is 2. So because it is the second number of shell, this can also be written as like this: K, L, M and N. Okay, so here we get 8. For M 2n square will be equal to 3 square and we will get answer 18. For N use the same formula and put the value of N for N shell. This is 4 number of shell, so put 4 here and we get 32. So we can say that there are 2 electrons only can be filled in K shell. There are 8 number of electrons can be filled in L shell. M should have 18 number of electrons and maximum number of electrons that can be filled in N shell are 32. So here this is the main formula that is used to find the number of electrons present in these shells.